How do you handle ambiguous or incomplete queries in our RAG system to ensure relevant results? Answer: handling ambiguous or incomplete queries in our RAG system is crucial to retrieve relevant and accurate information. One effective approach is to implement query refinement techniques, where the system automatically suggests clarifications or reformulates the ambiguous query into a more precise one based on known patterns or previous interactions. This can involve asking follow-up questions or providing the user with multiple options to narrow down their intent. Another method is to retrieve a diverse set of documents that cover multiple possible interpretations of the query. By retrieving a range of results, the system ensures that even if the query is vague, some relevant information is likely to be included. Additionally, natural language understanding (NLU) models can be used to infer user intent from incomplete queries and refine the retrieval process. This helps to minimize the impact of ambiguity and incompleteness on the retrieval results, ensuring that users receive relevant and accurate information.